All right, guys. Here we are, lesson 32. Last math lesson of the week and a little math test tomorrow. Make sure you have your name at the top of the paper. There's a few I'd like to help you with on this one. And then I'll be available on Zoom for any of the other ones that you would love for me to help you with. Number 1. Suki took $20 to a carnival. She spent half her money on rides, a fourth on food, a tenth on parking. How much did Suki spend on rides, food, and parking? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so we got 1/2 of 10. We got 1/4 of 10. And we got 1/10 of 10. So we're going to have 3 different answers. Now remember, these are just division problems. Divide by the bottom number. 10 divided by 2. Hopefully you guys all know that one. 5. And this is in dollars. So my first answer is $5. Now 1/4 of 10. This one's going to be a little bit tougher. Divide by 4. And let's write $10 with 2 zeros after it. 4 goes into 10 twice is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. And 4 goes into 0 0 times. So you got $2.50. And what's 1/10 of 10? Well, 10 divided by 10 equals 1. That one we don't even have to do. That one we just know. $1. So you got $5, you got $2.50, and you got $1. 3 answers, 3 problems in just number 1. That's awesome. We knocked that one out of the park. Let's take a look at number 2. Comes from lesson 21. Hank says that the horse's trough holds 18 buckets of water. If a bucket of water holds 3 gallons each, how many gallons does the trough hold? 18 buckets times 3 gallons per bucket. After you finish multiplying that one out, your label is going to be in gallons. Let's set up number 3 as well. Kareem chopped a tree that was 52 feet tall into 4 logs of equal length. How many feet long was each log? So the total was 52, and he had 4 times some length equals 52. That was a multiplication problem with a missing factor. Whenever you have a multiplication problem with a missing factor, you're going to say divide. 52 divided by 4. How many times is 4 going to 5? Once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtracting, you get 12. You can finish that one. 4 goes into 12 how many times? And you need a label for that one. You're going to have a label of feet. Something feet there. So you got to finish this problem. I'm stopping finishing because some kids are just copying them rather than working them out. So make sure you show all of your work. All right, number 4. After 20 minutes, Carolette had answered 17 of the 45 questions on the test. How many questions does Carolette have left? So she started the test at 17. She did a bunch of more, and for a total of 45. So we had a missing add-in. Anytime we have a missing add-in, we're going to subtract. Good. 45 minus 17. Cross out the 4, make it a 3. 15 minus 7 is 8, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 28. What? 28 questions. All right, how many seconds are in an hour? Now, some kids get this wrong because they think how many seconds are in a minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute, and there's 60 minutes in an hour. So you got to take 60 times 60 to solve this one. I hung that 0 out. Bring that 0 down. You're going to multiply that one out, and when you're done, excuse my yawn, your answer should be in seconds. All right. Jump to number 22. Now we skipped investigation 2, so that's why I'm always helping with the investigation. 22 says, what's the name of the bottom number of a fraction? Remember, the top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. Now don't worry, we can always turn back to that one. And it's going to be probably a blue word. Looking for it, looking for it, looking for it. Whoa. Maybe I got the wrong one. That's investigation 3. Sorry. Investigation 2. There it is. denominator. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and pause my video if you want to write it down. The denominator. All right, jumping down to number 26. It says, that's today's lesson, draw a polygon shaped to look like a block letter H. What type of polygon did you draw? All right, so we got to figure out how to draw a block H. So we're going to come down, over, up. Now go up, over, down. All right, now bring this one out and bring this one out and connect it. And bring this one out and bring this one out and connect it. Oh, yeah! That was an H. See you later, buddy. All right, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-sided figure. You know what? You're going to want to say it with me. It's one of the best words to say in math. Dodecagon. That's a dodecagon. All right, I'm going to make my H again. Okay, dodecagon. Turn the page. Number 27. It says, show how to check the division problem and see if the answer is correct. Check a problem, check a problem. Check, check, check. 57 times, you're going to take the quotient times the divisor. 57 times 7 plus the 1 of the remainder. 7 times 7 is 49. Carry the 4. 7 times 5 is 35. 36 or 7 through 8, 39. 399 plus 1 is 400. It was 400. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Jump to 29. These ones we've been doing over and over again. It says, how many's in a dozen? 12. What's half of 12? All right, if you're not sure, go ahead and divide. Half divided by 2 is 6. Now write a fraction equal to 1/2 using those numbers. And that says 6/12. Sorry about how sloppy that was. A is 12. B is 6, and C is 6/12. All right, guys, we got a majority of these done. Check me out on Zoom call if you'd like some more help. God bless the rest of your day.